Welcome to Jesse Laoshi's Physics. I'm tired of grades, meetings and detentions, but I do really enjoy teaching physics, so as my own experiment of sorts, I've decided to start a YouTube channel. The basic principles behind high school physics have hardly changed in centuries, so most physics courses and books follow a fairly similar program, but I think AP Physics is the best course because the College Board is run by college professors, so they actually know what skills and knowledge high school students need to succeed at university. So, at least to start with, I'll be following the AP Physics 1 curriculum, but I hope my videos can help high school students all around the world. Since most students already have a physics teacher at school and search online for extra explanations or perhaps help with assigned problems, I'm going to focus on these and make my videos searchable by topic and concept. One of the unique things about learning physics is that there's very little you actually need to remember. The formula chart is given to you, but that doesn't make scoring well in exams easy. You need to really understand the concepts, and different students find different ways to achieve this. Some rare talented students can understand everything from their lectures. Some students have a tutor, whether they like it or not, and I recommend most students just read their textbook. But if there's one piece of advice I can give after 20 years of teaching physics, it's to make sure that you really deeply understand the concepts as you progress through your physics course, and I hope my videos can help with that. I've been really fortunate to spend the last decade or so living and teaching at international schools in Taiwan and Japan, where many of my most academically successful students have been Korean, so I'm more familiar with teaching students in Asia, which basically means taking a little more care to explain language and content, and perhaps less focus on algebra and mathematical routines. But physics is physics, and I hope my videos can help students everywhere. I plan to use 3 textbooks. I'm not saying these are the best because I haven't tried all the ones out there, but these have worked well for my students and I over the years, so I plan to use them here on YouTube. My go-to text is Gen-Colli Physics, Principles with Applications. It hasn't been updated for several years, but it doesn't really need to be, it's just such a comprehensive text. I'll also use OpenStax, an excellent free and online textbook, which I recommend everyone download and use. In all fairness, it's probably not quite as thorough as Gen-Colli or other copyrighted texts, but the idea of having a textbook free and available to all is fantastic, so it deserves all the support it can get, and that starts with using it and sharing it. Finally, I'll be using Halle Resnick Walker, my old freshman college text, which I used for AP Physics C, but also occasionally dip into for Physics 1. If you find any of my videos useful, or even if you don't, I'd really appreciate any comments and suggestions below. Thanks for watching.